Okay, quick video here on how to make pivot tables. Pivot table is a quick way to aggregate and summarize your data. So it'll make some more sense here in a second. So all I'm going to do is highlight the table that I want to create a pivot table out of. Then I'm going to go to Insert, pick Pivot Table. It's going to ask me where I want to put it. Usually put it on a new worksheet, but you can change those if you want. Okay, so now I have my pivot table builder here. So let's say I want to look at categories. So I have two categories, and I want to see the average price. So I drag that here to values, and it's giving me a sum. If I want to change that, just go to value field settings, change that to average. There we go. So that's the average price. $31.25 is my average price for tools, and $5.50 is my average price for food. Now if I want to break this out a little further, I can come down here, grab subcategory here, drag it to columns. There we go. So delicious foods here have an average of $9. Not delicious foods have an average of $2, a total of $5.50. Power tools have an average of $52.50. Regular tools have an average of $10. If I want to look at this a different way, I can come here again and grab subcategory. Just drop it under category here. There we go. Same data presented a different way. I can collapse these if I want. Let someone drill down if I wanted to. So food is $5.50. I want to see more details. Delicious foods are $9. Not delicious foods are $2. Tools, power tools are $52.50. Regular tools are $10. I could also, if I wanted to, come up here, make category a filter instead. See, it removed it from my rows. Now category is a filter. If I want, I can just say, just show me the food, or just show me the tools. And that's a quick guide to pivot tables.